This is the Honda XR100R. That last R supposedly stands for racing version of the XR. This one's a 1999. It's one of the first bikes I really learned to ride on. And now it's time for a restoration. So first thing we'll do is get it all cleaned up. Give it a quick power wash. I don't think I've ever actually power washed this bike since we acquired it. Now we'll just start taking it all apart so we can get every little part shined up and see what needs to be replaced. This could be the reason for I'm gonna try to get these old graphics off. They're pretty sun dried on. And I'm gonna use a blade here, but you have to be really careful not to scuff them. Kind of time consuming, but I'd like to put a new graphic on it too. We got half the tank done here. As you can see, we got a few scuffs, so I probably won't be using this method on the other side. We're gonna have to get us some aircraft remover for that. But as you can see, it's starting to get pretty clean on one side. The other side you still gotta get to. So I noticed this bolt won't come out of the swing arm with the kickstand holder on. So we gotta take that out of place. Just had to move the kick